we're going to make a video or show you the functioning of this Schaebling small centerless grinder. It's called a ESO 100, 100 millimeter wheel diameter. It's made for very small work pieces. You have a cross slide here that you could feed in by hand for initial setup, or I suppose even working with the machine, but this is basically for adjusting the size. The infeed is actually done on this end of the machine with a lever. It actuates here and moves the grinding wheel or the regulating wheel. It's a little reversed from most machines. This is the regulating wheel. This is the grinding wheel, the work rest blade. It has also an automatic cycle which will pull this down. It goes around a cam underneath, and then when it's after a certain amount of time, depending on the cam, it opens again, and you could load another piece. It has a switch here that cycles it over and over again. You have over-the-wheel dresser for both the regulating wheel and the grinding wheel. A micrometer adjustment. You adjust these by hand. The grinding wheel has a template, so I guess you could put a step on the wheel if you made a special template for it. Machine is 220 volts, 3-phase. You also have a special system here that they use to dress the grinding wheel and the regulating wheel. It's kind of like an old speedometer cable. You take it out and you put it in here, and it will work this dresser, or it'll work this dresser. You share the same drive for each dresser. You don't really dress the wheels all that often on these kind of machines. In fact, it actually has a diamond wheel on it right now, but the regulating wheel would still need to be dressed. And on this machine here, it doesn't appear that it has a template form dresser, just a straight dresser. Alright, so we're going to start it up now. And we'll start the grinding wheel. It's turning in this direction. And we'll start the regulating wheel. And it's turning in the same, both wheels have to turn the same direction, which is, in this case, counterclockwise. I don't know if you can see, but when I open and close this, I have a very slight movement of the regulating wheel up to the work rest blade. You can hear some electrics clicking in and out of the machine. There's also a cycle we can turn on. There you go. It wants to do it on its own. Turning around the cam now. That's grinding. And that's opening. And we'll go around again. You can adjust with these potentiometers the frequency. There it's grinding. And it's opening. And again, you can adjust your final size with this dial back here where you're moving the grinding wheel slide in and out. The dressers, when we turn on this guy here, you press this little black. Okay. There you see the diamond going across the regulating wheel. If you were using a stone type of wheel, then you could pull this out of here and bring this over to here. And dress across your grinding wheel. Just to follow this template here. To make it straight, there's adjustments here to get the parallel, to get your wheel straight, the angle out of it. Again, this is made for very small work pieces. I believe the maximum diameter is 160 thousandths. The minimum is very small, and it's on our specs, it's on the website. Probably this is used for medical. Very fine wires. Surgical stuff. And that's it.